Did you know sugar can rewire your brain? Here's the science behind it. When you eat sugar, your brain's reward system in the nucleus accumbens releases dopamine. This is the feel-good chemical. It's your brain way of rewarding you for energy-rich foods. But here's the catch. Too much sugar stimulates this system. Over time, your dopamine receptor becomes less sensitive, making you crave even more sugar for the same reward. This rewiring resembles what happens with addictive substances. Excess sugars also affect the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for learning, memory. Studies show it can impair focus and increase the risk of mood disorders like anxiety. Reduce your sugar, prioritize your brain health, like foods with nuts and fruit which are low in glycemic index. Your brain will thank you.